Hey guys, I would like to show you guys how to take off your knotless braid without having any hair breakage. By the way, my name is Precious Gold. Welcome back to my channel. We all know that taking out braid is so stressful. Seasoning begins. The first thing I do is to spray my entire hair with aloe vera mist, style everything up, then I'll start bringing out the braid in 1, 2, 3, or 4 and cut. After cutting, I will start using my tail comb to loosen the braid. In the process, because if I don't detangle, I'll end up breaking all my hair. So you can see how tangled it is. So I'll still go ahead to apply aloe vera mist, then pick up my tail comb to gently loosen the hair to avoid hair breakage. Now that I'm done taking out that braid, I'll just gently detangle my hair before using my bigger comb to comb out my hair. In the process of combing out my hair, I started from the tip of my hair because they are the oldest and they need special care before moving to the roots. When you detangle the tip well, you can easily comb down from the roots and you won't really have much. My Fenugreek hair treatment. But before I applied this Fenugreek hair treatment, I went ahead to detangle my hair, and I also apply moisture, which is the aloe vera mist. I have a video process of combing my hair, I started from the tip of my hair because as I've said earlier, they are the oldest part and they need special care. If you don't detangle the tip of your hair well, you won't be able to comb through from the roots to the tip. So